Hey everybody, Motor Blueprint Guy here. I am going to make you a video today of me replacing my stock gas cap on my 2020 Triumph Bonneville T120 Ace Cafe Edition with a new Motone Monza style gas cap. I'm going to do it all in one take, hopefully, no cuts. I'm just going to go right from start to finish. So I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. I have unlocked the gas cap, the stock gas cap, and that's as far as I've gotten. So we're going to do this together and see how long it takes, okay? All right, here we go. Hopefully, here we go. If I can turn this thing around. Turn this thing around. Okay, I don't know. I had to turn it off to turn it around for some reason. So there is a cut, however, you missed a half a second. All right. So let's see how long this takes. Gas cap is unlocked. Stock gas cap is chrome. Doesn't match the motif. The only other chrome piece on here really is the steering nut. All right, can you see that? It's the steering nut. And the bezels on the gauges were chrome. Yeah. They're no longer chrome, as you saw in my last video. All right. All right, so let's see. If I unlock this, unscrew my gas cap. Nothing on it. All right, I'm going to put this aside for safekeeping, obviously, because I'm going to keep that. All right. This is the adapter box. Tank cap adapter. Motone Customs. It's packaged in a plastic package. Can you see what I'm doing here? Ooh, okay, yeah, comes out of that fairly easy. And let's see, it's wrapped in plastic wrap. Oh, and there's the Allen key that goes with it. Okay, yeah, cool. And the, whoop, yeah, don't lose that. And the tool, the adapter tool, which tightens it onto the actual gas tank, okay? So, yeah, this is what would happen in your garage probably, all right? I'm not a professional. I drop stuff from time to time, just hopefully not on my tank. All right, so this part comes out. This is essentially a key, all right? So this I will just set right here because we need to do something first. That's going to screw into there. The actual fuel cap, okay. Now I got black. Alright, it just matches the motif better. Maybe it should have been black from the beginning, from the factory, right? Ooh, that's nice looking. Now I believe this is sand cast. I'm not 100% certain, but I think it's sand cast. It does have like a little bit of a rough finish. It seems well built though. The hinge is well built. Brass insert so that won't rust. That's nice. Hopefully that's stainless steel, and hopefully all the spring underneath is stainless. So should be good. There's a little O-ring in there I can see. That screws onto that, so I'm sure that seals that. It goes in that little groove on the edge. So okay, first thing I need to do is make sure that these screws are backed out. I think they're backed out enough. Put this together. You do this off the bike. Dust. I don't like it. All right. Tighten this, or close this. And you tighten this with as much force as you can muster without, you know, unless you're the Hulk or some Thor Bjornsson. Hey Thor. Throwing a shout out to Thor Bjornsson. The pride of the New Hampshire Hunting Games. Oh God. All right. Yeah, look at that. that's actually pretty tight already. Obviously, not as tight as it needs to be. So, let's see, where's my little key adapter thingy? Can you say thingy dingy on YouTube? Whoa, see, thank God that's too big to fall down there. Motone, thank you. You did good there. All right, that fits in there really precision-like. I think you could probably see that. The base is turning, but I'm basically holding the black Monza cap tight so it doesn't turn too much. All right, that's pretty tight. I don't think that's going anywhere. So I'm going to figure out if this is where I want it to be. Is this straight? Is this pointed at me? That's pretty doggone straight. I mean, if that's off, my eyeballs are off, so I think it's fine. All right, so now you tighten this ring so it doesn't spin with these Allen keys, and I'm just going to seat this and then move on to the next one and seat it. I didn't even read directions. This is pretty straightforward. Yeah. I think any one of you guys could do this without any issue. I wonder what we're at for time. 5 minutes? Maybe? Let's see. Alright. That's snugged, so I'm going to go around and add a little more torque. I didn't want to give it all at once, right? I'm leaving this thing in here so I don't drop it into the gas tank, the fuel tank, the petrol tank. What else is it? Those are pretty snug. Just let me check one more time. Oh yeah, those aren't going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put that Allen key right there so I don't lose it. I'm gonna use this, hopefully, to get this out. Here we go. Put all that aside. I'm gonna keep all that. There you have it. Close it. It doesn't turn at all. It is tight on there. It will not turn. I'm sure I could get it to turn, but I would have to apply some torque. So yeah, that's it. It's on. It doesn't require a key like the old cap, which is, in my opinion, an advantage. You don't have to fiddle around with a key, trying to figure out how to slide that slidey thing around. Like, you know, like, remember this thing? Like, okay, is that the top? Is that the bottom? How do you do that? So no key. That's an advantage as far as I'm concerned. Some people in different markets may not want their gas cap unlocked. Out here in sunny, beautiful New Hampshire, I'm not worried about it too much. I won't be away from the bike long enough to allow somebody, hopefully, to tamper with it. So, yeah, there it is. My Motone gas cap. I think it's an upgrade. What do you guys think? That right there is my cafe racer I just finished. Well, not just finished. I finished it early this year, and but I gave it to my son for Christmas of last year, 2019. So that was his surprise, and this is mine. All right. Take off my glove. Can I turn this around without turning it off? No. I'm going to turn it off again. Ready? So you missed about another second. That's it. That's all there is. Gas cap is done. Me and my Ride Clutch t-shirt did it in 8 minutes. That was like 8 minutes. And that included the intro. I'm probably at 9 now. So I can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Have a great day. Thank you.